Hi there, and welcome to another movie about Solana. Just a quick update. Bitcoin is very friendly today. In fact, it's going up all the time. In the last film, I warned you about a resistance area where Solana should really be doing something. That's why we were waiting for the price to reach this resistance area. If it does, it will let us know if the decline has already started. On the other hand, if we see a break above the $64 level that I talked about in the last video, that would be a sign that the B wave is extending, which is still possible. But we'll see what the market says. For now, this resistance area is the target for wave 2. The price has already gone through resistance, but there hasn't been a big decline yet. Actually, the levels to watch out for are $62.18, $62.96, and $64.07, which are resistance levels or FIP retracement level. If prices stay above $64 for a while, it means that something more bullish is happening, since wave 2 usually doesn't go above the $78.06 FIP level, right? That's possible, but the price would have to go below $65.50 first. In my experience, prices usually don't go above that. They stay below the $78.06 FIP level. So a break of that level would usually mean a big move. If it's a breakout to the upside, it might not be so important, but it would usually mean that the B wave is just continuing, because it makes it less likely that T, on the other hand. The drop I've labeled as a possible 5-wave move in wave C will be even more solidified. If we break below the low of wave 1 at $59, then we could start to talk about the third wave, but I can't really give you a target for it until I have a clear picture of the top, especially since different structures are possible in this correction. As we've seen in previous videos, the most important thing is that it looks like we are still in this downturn. There are different ways that the correction can look. So if we fall into this orange support area, it could be a good place to enter at the end of that 3-wave move ABC. As it gets clearer that it's just a sideways triangle, we can also add a setup to trade a triangle to the chart. Okay, but I don't even have enough waves right now to think about a triangle. I need at least 3 waves for a triangle. I only have 2 legs here right now, the A wave and the B wave. What I need now for a triangle is a higher low. That means a break below this low, which was made on November 21, 2018 at $51.30. If that happens, the triangle idea is pretty much thrown out, and the 5-wave move we're seeing on the chart is confirmed. But to keep the triangle idea alive, we'd need a higher low, a lower high, and another higher low. If the price breaks above $64, means we're back in this bigger B-wave retracement area. We could then look at what we have here. $68, pretty much $73. And then all the way up to $76 even in a potential overshooting B-wave scenario. Quite noteworthy, though, that while Bitcoin is going all the way up to $44. Now, Solana isn't doing much. Okay, Solana isn't doing much, so that means maybe it's really waiting for Bitcoin to get a first pullback to then also correct down on the flip side. What you need to understand is that now that Bitcoin has moved and is moving, and you know at some point when Bitcoin is consolidating, at least historically, you know when everybody starts to talk about Bitcoin, and Bloomberg started yesterday, right with that ridiculous prediction when the mass retailers are coming in, and they're already coming. In otherwise, the price wouldn't move. So when the mass retailers are coming in, then you will start to see then also some of that liquidity flow into altcoins, because most retailers will buy Bitcoin. Whereas many people will then start to take profits, and then you know the crypto crew will invest in the altcoins, and that's when they really start to escalate. You know, and when everybody talks about the altcoins, that's when the uninformed will start to buy the altcoins. And that's when it's best to cash out completely. Okay, so not much more to add. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Please leave a review and subscribe. And if you really like what you see, please check out the channel membership. Hey there.